What's the benefit of being an apprentice or a trainee?
So the benefits of being an apprentice or a trainee is that you meet people within the workforce that have tons of experience and skills that they can share with you, and that ultimately can better you as a character and better yourself within the service. Also, you can you go to many different events, and that brings you out of your comfort zone, because usually you're maybe not in those type of environments. So that kind of builds your confidence as well, going to these events and meeting these different people. And yeah, I would probably just say those two things are most important. And just your social skills as well. It's just always, this job is always bringing you outside your comfort zone. You're always doing something new, always thinking of new ideas, innovative ideas to piece this and piece that together. So it just always keeps you on your toes, and it just betters your character and just betters yourself as a worker.